This person wants this door replaced. And would you just replace the door itself, or would you put in a pre-hung door? There's a lot of things to consider, so let's look at them. As you can see, this thing is ancient, and they want something more secure. This door is 1 3/8, which is standard for an interior door. So if they want to put on an exterior door, those are 1 3/4. But as you can see, this jamb is built for an 1 3/8 door. So you cannot put an 1 3/4 door in here. And even if you wanted to just replace the door, look at this jamb. This thing is so old and junky. This was built in the 1920s, and it looks like it. And another thing to consider, they want a door that's a little bit bigger. That's a 30-inch door. They want a 32-inch door. This is a perfect scenario for a pre-hung door. And one of the reasons is the framing is all open. Look at this. We're in an old garage, so you can see the framing. There are a lot of things to consider when replacing a door with a pre-hung or just getting a regular door. And this is a case where you would want to get a pre-hung door. Turn this door into this door. And that is how you install a pre-hung door.